Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Flash Fitness. I'm here at Energy Fitness in Palmer's Green to bring you another boxing video as it's Sunday. So let's get into it. So we're here at Energy Fitness in Palmer's Green, and today I'm going to show you how to build up your punching power. And how we're going to build up punching power? Well, first we need to work the muscles that complement and are used in punching. So for example, the straight right, your chest, shoulders, triceps, torso, hips and leg. So what we need to do is we need to emulate that punch, but with extra resistance and extra power. So that's why you see boxers sometimes shadow boxing with little weights, so it's extra resistance. So when you put those weights down and you're punching with no weights, you're faster and more powerful. So what we're going to do today is the punch outs weighted, as you can see, lovely here in the corner. Okay, some gyms don't have this, so it's the part in the corner that is attached to the barbell, so you can actually make this yourself. So you go and get your 20 kilo Olympic bar or 15 kilo bars if the gym has, and you place one side in the corner which acts as a level, and it will hinge off there like that. So that's how it will work. And if it's a 20 kilo bar, it would be better because then you've got 20 kilos at the base which will keep the bar down. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so I've set up the barbell. I've only put 10 kilos on it, so we're going to start light and then build up. Obviously if it's the first time you're doing it, then start light. Don't go too heavy and cut weight out. It's better to add weight on each set. So what you're going to do is, you're going to pick up the dumbbell by obviously squatting to pick it up, so you don't hurt yourself. Whack yourself in the nuts on the way up too, that always helps. And then you're going to stay in your orthodox position, or the position that you are, which is either southpaw stance or orthodox stance. I'm orthodox. So my jabbing hand's going to be going first, and what you're going to do is you're going to have your hands as if you're boxing, and you're going to explosive punching, as if you're punching as a boxer. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just 10 for you there, and then we're going to switch to my straight right, as if I'm really throwing a punch as a fighter. So it's not just my arm, I'm turning my whole body, even my foot. So if you go down, even my foot's turning. So I'm rotating. 2, keep my guard up. You can, because hands up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 2 sets done, same stance. Then what you're going to do is switch hands, switch stances. So now I'm doing a straight left as a southpaw because I'm giving this arm a rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll just show you 5 of those. Switch to a jabbing southpaw stance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So that's 1 set on each stance so far. Do that twice, so 2 as an orthodox, 2 as a southpaw, 10 to 15 reps, and each, maybe 1 set do a little bit light, and the next set a little bit heavier. But remember, we want to hit over about 10 to 15 reps. Maybe you want to do 30 reps, maybe you want to do 50 reps to really build up that endurance as well, because this is what it could be used for too, punching endurance. So if you're doing longer rounds or more rounds in boxing, then lighten the weight, maybe put 5 kilos on there and do 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 50, then change hands. It is hard, it is tiring, but it really does help with punching power, endurance and speed. What we're going to do now is we're going to build up your hooking power. So we need to build up the core, because when you do like a left hook or a right hook, you're tensing your core, this area, your abs and your obliques need to be stimulated and used. So how do we do that? So it's called, okay, how do we do that? It's called standing Russian twists, I call it, because when you're sitting down doing Russian twists, that's what you're doing with a weight. So now we're going to be doing it standing. I'll keep the same weight on, make it easier. Okay, so arms out, tense your abs, tense your core, and down here to the side, to your right side, and semicircle in front all the way. Don't bring it like this, that's not it. You bring it out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Explosive, explosive. 8, 9, 10, 15, 20. Get a good workout. Now I'm feeling that here because my obliques have been stimulated. And what that's going to do again, turns, all your rotations. Boxing's full of rotating, so it's good to build up that movement. Alright guys, so that will build up your power, your speed and endurance for your punches. Hope you've enjoyed today, just a short one. Well, I hope it's short. Is it short? I don't know. Again, we're at Energy Fitness in Palmer's Green. Come check out the gym, great facilities, and yeah, great people. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day, and please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos of my ugly mug.